Hey, it's Ikenna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix some jeans using hand sewing and a sewing machine. So first we're going to create a foundation using the warp and weft method, which is basically a weaving technique that all denim, any fabric is made with. So here I'm going to sew across the area where the rip is horizontally and then come back and go vertically across it to create this interweaving mesh that I'm going to take to the sewing machine and just lock in. So as you can see here, I'm taking wide bites, making sure I get a good enough distance outside of the site where the rip is. And then I'm just sewing horizontally across multiple times, and then I'll come back and go vertically across. Got a good amount of threads going horizontally across there, so now we're going to come down vertically and just interlock it or interweave it together. After I've done warping and wefting and we have a little bit of a foundation, I'm just turning it inside out now to tie the knot. Unfortunately, my thread was a little too short, so I'm cutting the needle off and then hand tying it, but you can also needle tie it if you have a lot of room. So I'm just tying a couple knots just to lock it in, and now we're going to take it to the machine. Since this pair of pants is very loosely woven, I'm going to sew with a good amount of margin from where it actually ripped. So with the same idea of that warp and weft method, we're going to sew horizontally across a couple times and then vertically across. So here, what was easiest for me was just to use my pedal to go forward and then use the reverse button to bring it back across. So I'm going up and down and then left and right using just the pedal and then the reverse button. Now that we've gone a couple runs horizontal and vertical with the machine, we have this really nice repair. It's a lot more noticeable to you than it is to others, especially if you use a similar colored thread. I hope this helped. All you got to do now is just cut off your loose strings and then you're good to go. Let me know if you tried it out. See you next time.